Are you ready to spin those wheels for free? Then grab the best casino bonus codes today. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with PACasino.com. Bonus codes are your golden ticket to obtaining more value from your online casino experience. They are promotional codes offered by online casinos that give you extra perks like free spins, bonus cash, and exclusive rewards. These bonus codes are given out by casinos to attract new players or to reward the loyal ones. But remember, each code comes with its own set of terms, so make sure you know exactly what you are signing up for before you happen to use one. Using a bonus code is super simple, literally just a matter of copying and pasting. First, find the code for your bonus that suits you best, whether it's a free spin, a deposit match, or even a no deposit bonus. When you sign up or make a deposit, just find that empty field where to paste the bonus code, and boom, your bonus is activated. But here is the catch. Most bonuses come with wagering requirements, which means you'll have to bet a certain amount before you can actually cash out your winnings. Of course, not all bonus codes are the same. Each type gives you something different. So here are a few examples. The first, no deposit bonus codes. Now this is a personal favorite of mine, and these ones give you bonus cash or spins without having to spend a dime. They're perfect for testing out new casinos or just new games. Next up, we have free spin codes. These are perfect for slot players because you get free spins on your favorite games at no additional cost. The next up is deposit match codes. The advantage of these types of bonuses is that the casino matches a percentage of your deposit, giving you extra funds to play with overall. Last but not least, we have reload bonus codes, and these are for your returning players who are making another deposit, and the casino will be rewarding you with extra bonus cash. Understanding what each type of bonus code provides will let you choose the right bonus for you. So the important question, where do I find these codes? Well, the best place to start is definitely on casino review websites like ours, where we make sure to offer exclusive bonuses to use on our list of regulated and safe casinos. You could also find it on the casino's website itself. Just hit the promotions tab. You might also sign up for your favorite online casino's newsletter and receive exclusive codes straight into your inbox. Social media and forums can also be a great place to find these codes because they'll be shared by other players just like you. Just make sure you're getting these codes from a legit source so you don't end up with an expired or fake code.
The Nigerian prince may be a fraud.
As always, let's break down a few pros and cons before you start using any of these bonuses. The pros. Well, bonus codes are great for boosting your bankroll without spending more of your own money. They can also give you some extra spins or even introduce you to a new game. The major con is that you need to watch out for wagering requirements, which can be a bit tricky. And also, some bonus codes are limited to certain games or how much you can withdraw. Overall, bonus codes are a great way to boost your online gaming experience. Just make sure that you use them wisely. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.